Guys, welcome to a new video. Here we are talking about how to gain free crypto and how to gain free testnet airdrops and become an early adopter so that you can get lots of tokens and lots of points in early stage. So here we are going to talk about UOMI airdrop. What is UOMI airdrop? UOMI is a layer 1 blockchain built for autonomous AI agents. These agents can manage wallets, sign transactions, trade assets, vote in DAOs, and interact with smart contracts all on chain without human intervention. It uses technologies like optimistic proof of computation and threshold signatures to keep everything secure and efficient. So, airdrop details. And the airdrop is currently in a potential or getting a role testnet phase. To qualify users need to participate in the testnet. So for connecting in the testnet, you should come to the website. This website, okay, I have put the link in the description below this video and also in the comments, so you can use that. So when you enter the website, you will see a connect button here in the top corner. You should have MetaMask wallet extension, and you should download it, okay, and then you can connect your wallet here. If you cannot connect to the MetaMask, just reload the page, or if you have a VPN, you can change it and reload and try to connect. After connecting your MetaMask to the website here, you will need to get some faucets. What are faucets? If you don't know, faucets are free tokens, free testnet tokens. They don't have actual value, but you get it and you can use it to do swaps and to get some points from the airdrop website. So here is the website. Today I got some faucet tokens. Every 24 hours you can come here and get about 10 UOMI tokens for free. Yeah, and you come here, you connect your wallet. Okay, if you cannot connect, okay, just come to the extensions and disable the MetaMask, then enable it and reload the page, then it will work for you. And then you can connect your X account and tweet about UOMI, then follow UOMI account. And after these 4 stages, you will be able to request faucet tokens. So then you come and click on request faucet tokens, and it takes about 1 minute. Then you have the 10 UOMI tokens in your wallet. So after getting faucet every 24 hours, then you can do something else. Here's the website, okay? You see the website, and it's in beta phrase, and you come to this swap website. Here you can swap your points. Okay, first you connect your wallet from the top corner, the same wallet that you connected to the website of the UOMI app. After entering the amount that you want to swap, okay, for example this much, then you select a token like USDC, okay. Then it calculates the price. Then you click on swap, confirm swap. Then you will see a message on the MetaMask. You should just confirm and sign the transaction. Okay, here it says that swap submitted and it is done. Okay, swap success. After you see this, you come every day to the website and you do this 4 or 5 times or 10 times a day. 10 times is ideal actually. Then you can come and provide liquidity here, okay, with the test tokens. You can create a pool here. You can create a pool and add some testnet tokens, for example USDC, and then you can click on full range deposit amount, for example this much, okay. You should have enough USDC for that, but for this you have the enough USDC for that. So you apply USDC in your wallet and you provide liquidity. All of these are counted as your points for getting a bigger airdrop. So every day come to this website and add some liquidity. 4 or 5 times for the liquidity, 4 or 5 times swap, yeah, and that's it. Or you can add to the existing pools. For example, search and see that which one do you want to add some to the existing pools. If you don't have the token, you can come here and swap the UOMI for that token which you want to swap for. For example, this one. We didn't have this token, so we couldn't add to the pool. You can come here, you can click on the wrap button, and that's all. So you need to sign the transaction in your MetaMask wallet. You confirm. Once again, enter the amount. Yeah, it was successful. You do it again. Okay, you can do it again, and it is considered as swap. Okay, then we have to do something else. You come to the website. Okay, you come to the website and you want to create agent here. You can create a new agent. Okay, you come to your profile. Okay, it says that ready to deploy. You come to deploy your first agent. Here it will need some 100 UOMI tokens for creating agent. I will put the full instruction on how to deploy an agent in this website of the UOMI in the future, because I don't have 100 tokens. Okay, I have only 10 tokens. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you will be informed. And I will give you all the required information for filling out these forms. Okay, so don't forget to do that. And next we will do something else. We will need to bet with the test tokens. Yeah, with the test tokens. Here is a website called Simulacra Bet, and this website is really new, and you will need to test tokens. You don't need to bet with your real money. No, it's only test tokens that you can get from here, and this is not giving me any test token at this moment. The website is under maintenance, and it will have new updates. So if you want to have the instructions on how to bet in this website and get more points, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So then you can you come to the Galaxy website. Okay, you can see the active tasks here in the Galaxy. I will put the all needed links in our Telegram channel. You can join our Telegram channel and put the notifications on so that you can become early. And here it will give you everything. Okay, this campaign is ended, for example, and some of the campaigns are ended right now, but you can find the active ones, and they have really limited time. The campaigns that have really limited time, just follow them. Okay, and do the campaign as fast as you can. Okay, here join UOMI community. Okay, just follow the UOMI community here, and then you can do the task. Okay, this task is active, and actually you can do it. For doing this task, you first follow the UOMI. Okay, here in the Twitter space, and then you have the member role in the UOMI Discord. Okay, you join the UOMI Discord. Okay, as you can see here, I have joined before. Okay, I have joined before. You feel free to join. Okay, then you may have some kind of this member. Yeah, and this member role. Okay, you can actually get roles by talking here about the project. Okay, you can get the role, and yeah, and then as you can see here, yeah, I have the role, and then you should follow them on the Twitter. I am following them. Then visit the website, continue access, and yeah, I've already visited. Then you claim 220 points. Okay, for claiming the points, you need 3 cents of GG token. You can find the GG token here. You can buy it or bridge. For example, you can bridge BNB for GG token in 3 cents, and then you can claim directly. Your network should be on Gravity Alpha mainnet in your wallet. Then you sign a transaction, you connect your MetaMask, and that's all. For using Galaxy, you need to connect your wallet here. Confirm 1 cent actually. About 1 cent of GG token, or less maybe. And claiming 220 points, and I'm following them. Yeah, just like this. So it says that transaction submitted successfully, and that's all. Now you can do the rest of the tasks, okay, yourself. So it's easy. If you want to keep with us and be updated with the projects, just subscribe our channel. Our channel is new, and be a member. And subscribe to our Telegram channel too. So guys, if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. See you. Bye bye.